How does it feel to win?
Feels good. Yeah. First tournament I ever won.
Ever? Yeah. Have you won league before?
I won a lot of championship leagues, but tournament is my first time. So I want to thank my team for giving me my first tournament championship.
You guys always play together?
Actually, this is our first time playing together, but we played against each other in different leagues. I just put all these guys together, and did it.
How was it playing the first game together?
Oh, it was awesome. I mean, we had to find that chemistry, but once we got our chemistry down, oh man, it was awesome after that. Yeah.
What was the whole experience like over here for the past 2 days?
Oh man, it was awesome. Tournament, I love playing in tournaments. It just puts all of us all together. Building relationships and friendships all the way down the line like that. So yeah.
Everyone loves the sport. Nice to be able to get together and have a big event like this.
Yeah, definitely. It's good for the community. Definitely good for the community. And we played against each other. Now we came as one team. So we got our goal.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
Okay, thank you.
MVP.
What's up, man?
Man, how was it to get the win tonight?
Felt good. That was our first game we lost to, and then our tournaments work usually if you lose first, you go in the losing bracket, and then this is how it works over here. And then back to ship is going to win.
So that was the team you lost to at first?
Yeah.
It must feel sweet to win after that.
Yeah, definitely.
Man, so what was going on in your head throughout the game?
They kept telling me be aggressive. Throughout the beginning of the tournament, I was just trying to play my role. Play defense, do whatever I can. And then today, I was feeling it, so I just wanted to be aggressive, and I ended up getting MVP. So it was good.
Man, what was the whole 2 days like over here at San Lorenzo?
Felt good, like the drive over here sucked, then playing out here is fun, being back in tournaments. I haven't been in one since high school. And I'm a sophomore in college, so it feels good to be back.
Awesome, man.
Straight up. Look, I live the life I deserve. Bless.